Hey Blum fans! On my trip around the world, I visited China before interzum and found out more about flat pack furniture manufacturing that's common here. It was interesting to see that the cabinets are assembled at the construction site or at their final destination. The new Blum hinge BLUMOTION 105 degrees was developed precisely for this purpose and is tailored to the process thanks to the pre-assembled mounting plate. Despite its slim design, it's robust and dependable and fits in the kitchen and any other living space. BLUMOTION 105 degrees also impresses with simplified soft close integrated in the hinge boss. The second new hinge system, clip-top BLUMOTION 105 degrees, has the same advantages and was developed for those who prefer the well-known clip mechanism for quick, tool-free assembly. They offer three-dimensional adjustment options, outstanding manufacturing quality, the usual top-quality motion, and all at an attractive cost-performance ratio. Curious to know more? The two new hinges will be available in selected markets soon. All the best, Tony.